you're worried about your life purpose, so this reading is for you. Let's see. To achieve your life purpose, you need to let go your past, because your past, your emotions, your negative toxic emotions are holding you back to achieve your life purpose. And many of you might be possible are interested in becoming a writer, or you are writing some books, or some sort of um, spiritual stuffs, spiritual books. So many of you might be possible your life purpose is to become an author, or to read more books, gain more knowledge and spread this knowledge. And I'm also getting talk to your angels, so definitely you need to connect with your angels. You let go your past, you need to, it is also something related with, I'm getting automatic writings. If you know about automatic writing, it's is a channel writing process from where you get the messages from the angels. So many of you might be possible are doing some sort of like journaling, or you are writing some books, or you are into making some cars, spiritual stuff. This is basically a message which I'm getting for spiritual peoples who are just starting their journey, who want to ascend more spiritually. So for ascending more spiritually, I'm getting up, you just need to let go your past. Once you let go your past, definitely you will be able to achieve your life purpose. And for achieving your life purpose, I am getting up that you need to connect with your angels. The angels callings are definitely coming up. Divine guidance are provided by the angels to you in the form of dream, in the form of journaling. Definitely this thing is also coming up. Might be possible many of you are having some sort of dreams, and the angel wants you to write your dreams. And definitely I'm getting a support card also, so definitely angels are supporting you to achieve your life purpose. But what is happening for you, for many of you, because this is a general reading, whatever resonates with you, just pick those things. Whatever doesn't resonate with you, just leave those things. So basically, see, this is a general reading, so I'm getting for many of you might be possible your past is holding you back, and you are still stuck in your past. And the message which is coming, the channel message which is coming to me is let go your past and just release all the toxic emotions. Because see, your emotions, your fear are the main low vibration energy which will hold you into this three dimension energies. So if you want to ascend up into higher dimensions, so you need to just let go this thing. For letting go, definitely you need to talk to your angels. Your spirit guides are there, your ascended masters are there, who are supporting you. And I'm also getting up that they are supporting you and they want you to write a journal. Might be possible write a, why they want you to write a journal, because they are communicating with you in the form of meditation, in the form of dreams. So that's why they want you to just write a journal, so that you can know what exactly situations are going up. When you are making a journal, you will have all those information available in a one space. So that's why they are showing me to write your journal. Let's pick more tarot to get more clarity. And sorry, um, 7 of Cups, that means illusions. You are stuck in lots of confusions and illusions. Might be possible sometime you feel this is my life purpose, that is my life purpose. You are stuck between lots of things, so they want to let go this confusion, to clear your minds. Okay, let's see. Definitely judgment card, let go. Just clear yourself, let go the past. Your angels are supporting you. The rapid messages are coming from your angels that they are always there to support you. Your divine, you are getting the divine guidance in the form of meditation, when in the form of dreams, in the form of visions, in the form of intuitions, even in the form, if you, many of you might be possible having a buzzing in your ears. This is because your guides are standing nearby to you and they are sending you messages. Okay, so only thing is that you need to let go the past so that you can achieve your life purpose. And you need to just balance yourself, your energies more, open your heart. Definitely heart is your soul, right? So the message is that open your heart so that you can achieve your life purpose. Your life purpose is to become a very high dimensional spiritual person who can ascend, who can help another people to ascend in their journey, like in their spiritual journey you can help them. It could be in any form of healing modality you can help them, or you can help them by writing some spiritual stuff book, or you can teach them. So before doing this thing, before becoming a spiritual master, you need to just first let go your fear, let go your past situations, let go past pains, and try to connect with more with your spiritual guides. For doing this thing, I will give you a very small tip. You can just do meditate. See, your guides are your main teacher. So to learn more things, you need to call them, you need to talk to them, and ask them to send you messages in the form of dreams or in the form of vision. Whatever messages you are coming up, keep a journal, keep a book, a journal, and a pen nearby your um, table, nearby, like this kind of journal. You can make it up, any kind of journal, and you can keep it where you are sleeping, near a bedside table. And once you wake up in the morning, just write every information, every dream with the date. Okay, write this thing so that you can remember this thing. And definitely when you are making the habit of writing the journal, it is definitely going to help you. If in upcoming time anything comes true which is related with your journal, which is related with your dream, so you will be able to know. Okay, so this is what is the message is coming for you for your life purpose. Let go the past and just connect with your guides, connect with your angels, balance your heart chakra, open your heart chakra so that you can achieve your life purpose. You can ascend more spiritually. And another thing, stop thinking too much, focus on one aspect of your life. This is what is a message. Hopefully it resonates with you.